Python progress bar. How do I use a progress bar when my script is doing some task that is likely to take time? For example, a function which takes some time to complete and returns true when done. How can I display a progress bar during the time the function is being executed? Note that I need this to be in real time so I can figure out what to do about it. Do I need a thread for this? I have no idea. Right now I am not printing anything while the function is being executed, however a progress bar would be nice. Also, I am more interested in how this can be done from a code point of view.
There are specific libraries, like this one here, but maybe something very simple would do. Note, Progress Bar 2 is a fork of Progress Bar which hasn't been maintained in years.
The above suggestions are pretty good, but I think most people just want a ready-made solution, with no dependencies on external packages, but is also reusable. I got the best points of all the above, and made it into a function, along with the test cases. To use it, just copy the lines under def update progress, but not the test script. Don't forget to import sys. Call this whenever you need to display or update the progress bar. This works by directly sending the backslash or symbol to console to move cursor back to the start. Print in Python does not recognize the above symbol for this purpose, hence we need sys. This is what the result of the test script shows, the last progress bar animates.
With TQDM, conda install TQDM or pip install TQDM, you can add a progress meter to your loops in a second. Also, there is a notebook version. You can use tqdm.auto instead of tqdm.notebook to work in both a terminal and notebooks. tqdm.contrib contains some helper functions to do things like enumerate, map, and zip. There are concurrent maps in tqdm.contrib.concurrent. You can even get progress sent to your phone after disconnecting from a Jupyter notebook using tqdm.contrib.telegram or tqdm.contrib.discord.
No external packages. A ready-made piece of code. You can customize bar progress symbol, hashtag, bar size, text prefix, etc. Python 3.6 plus fstring with time remaining estimate. Usage. Doesn't require a second thread. Some solutions / packages above require. Works with any iterable, it means anything that len can be used on. A list, a dict of anything, for example, a, b, c, d, g. Works with generators, only have to wrap it with a list. For example, for I in progress bar, list, your underscore generator, computing column, 40, column unless the work is done in the generator. In that case, you need another solution, like TQDM. You can also change output by changing out to syst, stare for example. Python 3.3 plus. Python 2, old code.
слушать, потому что сериал, сериал,